everybody. Today I'll be showing you the unboxing of the Lenovo Y27Q-20. So first off, I already cut the sticker, so bear with me just a few seconds and we'll get this box opened. Okay. First off, when you open the lid, let's see. We have the Lenovo Limited Warranty booklet. This is good for your warranty information if you need to do anything that involves warranty. Let's put that aside. Looks like we have the monitor stand setup guide. Let me check. Yes, looks like it is. Okay. Okay. First off, we have looks like the display port cable. The HDMI cable. This looks like the USB. Yes, it's also USB 3.0. So this would be probably plugged into your computer and then attached to your monitor. So not bad, not a bad addition. Then we have the wire that plugs into the power brick. Okay, so let's start with this first bad boy. Let's take it out of the wrapping first. My goodness, this feels nice and sturdy. Look at this. It's like a boomerang. Pretty sexy. Okay, the bottom is blue. This is the screw to screw in the shaft of the monitor. The color is matte black. Not bad. It's very, very sturdy. Okay. Let's put this down right here. Let's open the second one. Okay, so we have the standing pole or shaft, as you can, however you want to call it, but this would be the stand where you put the monitor. Okay. I believe it does height adjustment, it does tilt, swivel, and pivot. Looks like they also have a little opening for your wires to go through. Nice addition, not bad, Lenovo. Okay. Now, let's get the big bad boy out. Obviously, this monitor, guys, is a thin bezel, so if you guys do plan on getting this Lenovo Legion monitor, make sure to handle it with care, okay? Don't grab anywhere on the screen, and if I do in this video, I apologize, but hey, you know, this thing is huge, and well, it's not really huge, it's 27 inches, and it feels very, very heavy and sturdy. So give me 1 second while I put this box down. Finally, we got the monitor here. Let me take it out of the precious packaging. Okay, guys, here we have it. This is the Lenovo Legion. As you can see, the branding is right here, Legion. Let's look at the back. As you can see, the Lenovo logo on the left side of the monitor from the back. And we also have the logo Legion here. Okay. So this monitor actually supports FreeSync from AMD. And apparently it also does support G-Sync, so not bad. This monitor is 27 inches, as you can see, IPS panel. It has 165 Hertz, and it's tilt, swivel, pivot. I believe. Yeah, so it's full function stand. All right, so let's set this down and install the stand. Don't forget, guys, please be careful with your monitors. I'm especially careful with mine because this monitor is not cheap. So first off, install the shaft onto the base, like so. Flip it to the bottom, twist it. Okay, looks like it's tight enough. Tight enough, okay. So after this, install it into your monitor. Okay, voila. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. Forgot to get into the ports. Okay, so this monitor has an HDMI port right here, a display port right here. It looks like the power input right here. This is the USB in, and I believe this is also another USB. And then on the side right here, see that there is 2 super speeds USBs and 1 headphone jack. Looks like one of the super speed USB charges the phone also. Okay. And then the I/O. Okay, so it looks like there is game mode, screen changing, I believe. I'm not too sure. H2, then there's brightness and power button right here. Okay. So put this down and we're gonna install the stand again. Yeah, I cannot find any YouTube videos for this Lenovo Legion video, so, and this is also my first time doing an unboxing video, so hey, you know, you gotta start somewhere, right? And at least you got a Lenovo Legion video, so. Okay, so we finally have the monitor all stood up. Let me see, okay, let's fix this a little bit. Okay. Bring a little further back. It's a 27-inch diagonally. Very nice, very sleek, and very matte black. Okay, so right now we have tilt, height adjustment. Also have pivot. Give me 1 second. Pivot, that's the right side. And then we have pivot on the left side also. Let's bring it back. Okay, we also have swivel. And that's about it. So I will fire up this monitor soon and I will test how it is. Thank you for watching.